For countless millennia, the stars and planets traveled their silent paths in perfect harmony. It was called Orpheus, the Meteor. Its power is greater than all the hydrogen bombs. Its speed is greater than any rocket ever conceived. Its force can shatter continents. Its mass can level mountain ranges. It cannot think. It cannot reason. It cannot change its course. And it's going to strike the Earth in 6 days.
That's the longest intro I've ever heard.
Space, timeless, infinite, interstellar.
Yes, I forgot. This new board completely replaces the original game code with a new set of rules. It is also capable of handling scores in the millions. It will first show the last 6 digits, and then it will scroll in the new value of the high score shown in millions. Yes, 1,506,000 to be more precise. So yeah, this game can handle millions, but because this is a different rule set, it will have to be relabeled as Meteor 2021. Enjoy!